Hello and welcome to Krista's So Crafty. My name is Krista and I really am glad you're with me today. Today is December 20th, which means we need to open up box number 20 of our Advent calendar. So let's have a look and see where number 20 is. And I haven't even looked, so I'm not quite sure. Oh, where did it go? Where is it? It's right here. So it's a little apartment style building again. So let's open it up and see what is inside for today. All right, well, it's no surprise. There's some markers in here, and they're acrylic markers. Let's just close this up. So there's a blue and kind of a light orange color, but they're acrylic markers. Let's see if I can turn them around here and show you. Like that. Yeah. Let's see how they work. Okay, so they have a nice roundish end on them. They seem to, well, the blue seems really nice. And then the orangey one seems again very nice. I think they're all right. So that's them. You know, again, like they're nice markers. I think that, you know, making a craft with these would be a wonderful thing to do. We need to figure out a way to use all of these in one. I might end up doing just a picture, and we'll, like a doodle picture, and we'll use all of these in one big picture. We only have today is December the 20th, so that means we only have 4 more days, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4 more days to open up, and then I think we will try making a picture out of all of the markers and stuff. So again, this was a short little video showing you the markers, the acrylic markers from our 24 Days of Advent Calendar Joy. I'm really happy you were here with me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I also have a Facebook page. It's called Krista's So Crafty. You can search me up over there. I have different posts there. But thank you again for joining me, and happy crafting.